Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of upholstery cleaning and exploring whether it's better to go the DIY route or leave it to the professionals. Before we get started, let's introduce the comparison between DIY upholstery cleaning hacks and the professional cleaning services offered by USA Clean Master. Many of us have tried our hand at cleaning our furniture at home, but is it really as effective as we think? Let's talk about the challenges and risks associated with DIY upholstery cleaning. From damaging the fabric to not achieving the desired results, there are many pitfalls to watch out for. It's important to understand the potential drawbacks before diving in. Now let's explore some common upholstery cleaning hacks, such as using vinegar or baking soda. While these methods can work to some extent, how do they really compare to the professional cleaning methods offered by experts like USA Clean Master? Let's break down the differences and see which approach comes out on top. Here comes the climax, the key moment where we reveal the benefits of professional upholstery cleaning. Think deep cleaning, stain removal, and prolonging the lifespan of your furniture. These are just a few of the advantages that come with choosing professional services over DIY hacks. In conclusion, it's clear that there are significant differences between DIY cleaning hacks and professional services. By opting for professionals like USA Clean Master, you not only save time and money, but also ensure a thorough and effective cleaning process for your upholstery. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Call us today to book your cleaning. 888-396-5195.